In the complex landscape of personal finance, it's essential for everyone, regardless of their income level, to make thoughtful and intentional choices with their money. For individuals facing financial challenges, avoiding common pitfalls can make a significant difference. In this video, we will talk about 5 common pitfalls or expenses that some might find themselves spending money on and put strain on their finances. For people facing financial challenges, reducing unwarranted expenses and making informed decisions become very imperative. We should know how to differentiate between desires and needs so we could take control of our finances. Let's look at some aspects of expenses that people with limited income often struggle with. The first pitfall is the obsession with luxury brands. Buying luxury and expensive items is a retail therapy or therapeutic for many people. Also, a few would like to reward themselves for their hard work by treating themselves to a luxury brand, which they typically could not afford it otherwise. Often people who buy luxury brands don't just buy a product for the sake of buying it. They buy them because of lifestyle, social status, or a desire to look rich or that they belong to an exclusive club of affluent people. Remember, wealthy people can afford to buy luxury brands because their income is good and everything comes within their budget. Although it may be okay to purchase expensive and luxury brands occasionally, overspending on designer clothes, accessories, or high-end gadgets is not advisable by taking excessive loans and keep paying interest and installments throughout the life. Being rich is good, but pretending to be rich is probably not. Instead of spending money on expensive items, it would be beneficial investing that money into something that can increase income in future. The second pitfall is impulse shopping. Sudden and immediate purchase of a product without any prior intention is called impulse purchase. This happens when people have an urge or desire to buy an item, and it often happens suddenly and with no hesitation or regret, despite being aware of the negative effects. There can be many reasons for this type of shopping, like your emotional state, effective advertisement of any product, getting a good deal even if the product is not required. It's easier to become a victim of impulse buying, especially in the age of online shopping. There is nothing wrong if you made impulse purchases only a few times as long as these purchases do not cause financial burden, but it is a problem if it becomes a habit. In fact, shopping without thinking can quickly lead to overspending and later lead to fights or mental stress at home. By following a budget and buying only necessary things, such unnecessary or unplanned purchases can be avoided. The third pitfall, what we think, is excessive subscriptions and memberships. It is very easy to spend money, especially in the age of technology and internet. You can order anything and have it delivered to your doorstep on the same day most of the time. With so much available online and easily, we unnecessarily end up taking a lot of monthly or yearly subscriptions, including TV and music streaming services, or magazines and gym memberships, which are often not warranted. We should regularly evaluate these subscriptions and memberships and consider canceling or downgrading those that are no longer used. Another pitfall is excessive drinking and dining out. If you talk to any financial advisor about budgeting and financial independence, you will get advice of less drinking and dining out. Cooking at home is not only cheaper, but also healthier. The trend of eating out regularly and posting photos on social media to portray their lifestyle has increased, which can cause a toll on the finances. Eating out often or buying tea and coffee every day is very expensive. Eating out not only includes the cost of the meal, but also includes tips, parking, and the cost of driving or taxiing to restaurants. Similarly, there could be many reasons for going to a bar for a drink. However, drinking at home can save money. The last pitfall we would like to talk about is constantly upgrading equipment and devices. Latest equipment and devices such as phone, electronics, and cars are not cheap these days. Upgrading them frequently can be very costly and can bring negative implications to the personal finance. The value of electronic devices depreciates rapidly, meaning the price of a new gadget usually drops significantly immediately after purchase. Constant spending on the latest technology can put a strain on your budget and limit your ability to allocate money for other necessary expenses or savings. Unless features or specifications of new technology are very important to you, or the existing device is not safe to use, it is not wise to spend money on it. Prioritize needs over wants and buy more durable items. So, those are the 5 things on which some people spend more than needed. Remember, Building wealth is a journey, and making informed decisions today can lead to a brighter financial future tomorrow. We hope you liked this video and got to know something new. Please like and share this video with your near and dear ones. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to this channel. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved one. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end.